Now let's understand what are the different factors that affects the life insurance premium. Age. At an earlier age, you will get lesser premium because in the young age, the risks to the life are lesser compared to once the person becomes more aged. Gender, occupation. So if the person is working in an environment which is kind of an hazardous, then probably he will have to pay more insurance. Probably the people who are working in the mining industries or the people who are working in, the security forces, right? So those kind of people, they may have to pay the higher insurance because the risk to the life is higher in those occupations. Health and weight, lifestyle, right? If you are a smoker or drinker, or if you have the sedentary lifestyle, then again it can impact, the life insurance premium. The family medical history. If the family has the medical history of lifestyle diseases like diabetes, heart diseases, cancers, or the diseases which can be inherited by the next generation, so that kind of history can also impact the life insurance premium. Now let's talk about the exclusions. Exclusions are the conditions where an insured person may not get the death benefit or the sum assured from the life insurance. What are those? Consumption of drugs, liquor, complications due to childbirth or pregnancy, act of criminal nature, suicide within 1 year, war, or involved in hazardous activity. Right. So these are these are certain exclusions that are not covered by the life. So while purchasing a life insurance policy, one must go in detail through the terms and conditions in order to understand what is covered and what is not. Now let's talk about the certain life insurance plans or benefits that government of India is providing to its citizens. So there is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. It provides 2 lakh cover for 333 rupees per annum. And the age group that gets covered is 18 to 50 of age, right? And it also has the tax. The second is the Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana. This is again applicable for 18 to 59 years group, provides accidental death and disability benefit. And this is for rural landless people or below poverty line. And then there is a Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana available for age group from 18 to 70. It provides accidental death and full disability. Benefit of 2 lakh with 12 rupees of premium per annum. This is again for rural landless people or below poverty. So these are some of the policies or benefits that government of India has launched for its citizens, and this is mainly applicable to those people who are who are fall in the who falls in the category of lower income or below poverty line, so they can get these benefits and their finance is ensured to some extent. So make sure that your maids, your servants, or the people who are having lower income, they are aware of these policies so that the benefit can be, so that they can get benefit schemes of the government. What is your financial need? Select a coverage amount. Basically, you should select the coverage amount based on your annual income, your lifestyle, your responsibilities, and your liability. As a thumb rule, if your annual income is 10 lakh, then your policy cover should be at least one. So it should be 10 times of your. Now, this is just a benchmark. This is not a hard and fast rule. And one should assess his coverage amount, his insurance needs based on the lifestyle, responsibilities, liabilities, what are the goals, right? So one should consult his or her financial planner to arrive at a proper coverage. Take the tenure period, right? Normally, one should get insured till the time he is working. So maybe till the time one reaches the age of 58 or 60, right? But again, you need to check the tenure period and you need to again assess this based on your requirement. Again, consult. Select a trusted insurance provider. Take for add-on benefits or riders. Choose a payment option. So there are various payment options. One can pay by check, one can pay by NEFT, or one can pay by the cards. They can also set up the auto debit with their bank account so that they don't miss the premium once, right? And you can also select the payout option. So you can pay premium once in a year, or you can pay premium once in a quarter, or you can make a lump sum payment, right? So there are these various payout options that is being given by the life insurance companies, and one should select the payout options based on his or her. How to choose an insurance plan? So when you select the insurance provider, right, you check what is the claim settlement. It the higher, the better. Make sure Your purchase is need based and not fear based. As I stated in the previous slide, you need to assess your financial conditions and then you need to make a decision that how much life insurance covers. Be specific about the time you would require the life. For the most working people, it can be up to their working life, that is up to 58 or 60. But again, it varies from person to person, family to family. Take inflation into account. So currently, if you feel that your family can survive with a benefit of 1 crore, but then the situation might be different 10 years down the line. Inflation is another major factor, and you must consider the inflation account while selecting the assured. Compare cost and benefits into the. These are the leading insurance providers. Life Insurance Corporation of India, the oldest one and probably having the biggest customer base. HDFC Life, ICICI Prudential Life, State Bank of India Life, SBI Life, and then there are many others. So these are the leading insurance providers in India. You can go online, you can check on the site of the policybazaar.com. You can compare the features of these various insurance providers, right? You can see what are the exclusion terms. And then after studying, you take a decision as which insurance service provider you should go. Go online because that reduces the premium as well, and ensure that you are declaring all the facts about your health, about your family transparently while purchasing the insurance policy, so that at the time of claim settlement, there are no hassle. If you are drinking, if you are smoking, please declare that. If you have some family history, which life insurers must know, and even if it impacts your insurance premium, it means even if it increases your premium by some 100 rupees, right? That should still be okay. But in order to ensure a hassle-free claim for your family, your nominees, you need to be transparent as much as friends. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks a lot for hearing this, and happy New Year.